This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Cheryl Hartley. 10 beautiful acres, with 2 mobile homes on site. First property is a 1,942 square feet triple wide 4-bedroom 2 baths, built in 1995. Features include open floor plan, gas fireplace, dining area, large kitchen with island, all appliances, along with washer/dryer and freezer. Master bath has shower, dual sinks. Above ground pool 33 feet round, nice wooden deck close to beautiful citrus trees. Second property is a 1,144 square feet double wide, 3/2 baths, built in 2013, open floor plan. Each property has its own well, septic tank, utilities and address. The 10 acres is fenced and cross-fenced, every pasture has at least one water source. Outbuildings, first building has 1 stall west/water/Elec, security lighting. Second building has water/Elec and air conditioner, security lighting. Third building is a workshop west/Elec. The second property has a hardship designation which can be turned into a ADU. Standby generator and transfer switch only. Each MH has its first set assumable mortgage at 4% FHA, verified needs to be with seller's lender. For more information, review the details below.